A rare astronomical phenomenon has once again appeared in China. According to social media reports, at around 8 p.m. on May 7, in Zhoushan, Zhejiang, many netizens photographed a strange scenery. The sky was filled with red and turned into a bright red. According to the video uploaded by netizens, the local sky is full of red, which looks very strange and even a bit scary. Some people said while taking the video, it was the first time they saw this situation, and they didn't know what happened. Some people suspected where the fire occurred, and judging from the situation on the scene, but the local fire department said that this situation was not a fire, and the red color quickly faded. Later, the staff of Zhoushan Meteorological Bureau responded, saying that this kind of light is refraction and scattering. Due to the good weather conditions that day, there was more moisture in the atmosphere to form aerosols. The light source may be the light of ships in the port. Refraction and scattering, so the sky is dyed red.